Hi dear friends, I hope you are doing well. I have created another video about agentic coding. We have created a video on Freebuff. I told you before that with unlimited free tokens you can use it and develop many of your projects on top of it. Now there is a new thing I am going to tell you about, which is new model available for free. It's from Xiaomi. Now you can use it through Freebuff. Earlier I had mentioned that you could use DeepSeek, but now you can use the second model Mimo. Now you can use both models to get your work done. Let's move on how to let's move on how this will be integrated and how to run our models. Here we will use Freebuff, and here you just click first. After clicking, an interface like this will appear for you. Freebuff Coding Agent, and then write the command in the terminal. On the terminal you will write this. After that you can also check the list guide. Here navigate to your project to go inside the project, and you just have to do this. This is goal. You need to run the command once on your system. After that you will be able to run the command and access the AI coding agent terminal. So here you use this. You have to copy this command. Whatever system you have, open the system's terminal or CMD and run it. Then you have to import it. You might face a problem if you are new. You need to install Node.js on your system. If you install a Node.js, you can see the install option here. In the download section you have Windows, or if you are using Mac OS, you can select either one and then download it. After downloading the installer, it will be available in your system. Node will appear if Node get installed on your system. After downloading, type node -v to check the version. If you see whatever the latest version is, you will get access to it. After that do npm -v so that you also get the version of the node package manager. When you have npm, it means the command can run for you. So you have to use this command to do your work. First this command, and then copy this command and then press enter. After pressing enter, the command of yours will run, because I already have set up on my system, so I don't need to do this again. Now let's move, and please watch my previous video as well, where I discuss this. As soon as you install it, once you install it, you have to type Freebuff and then press enter. After pressing enter, option will appear for you. You can see that the first time it will ask to download, just like the download he started at the top. This is basically using the GitHub, and their models are available on GitHub. Through that they do it here. After accessing via GitHub, there is limitation inside it, which is that here is 1 hour session have to be maintained within it. Previously you got more sessions daily, but now you get only 5 sessions. Select your project directory is not selected here. I will select the documents directory and then open. Okay, inside this directory you can see exactly which model can want to use. You want to use DeepSeek v4 Flash, or do you want to use Mimo 2.5? Earlier you only had DeepSeek, now DeepSeek V4 Flash, now Mimo also arrived. This is multimodal, and it's multimodal. You just select it. After selecting, you can see what are left and 5 sessions used today. You can use 5 sessions total in a day, and these sessions starts at 12 p.m. The session starts at noon 12. Even if you don't use it, or if you do as I have done now, 22 hours and 15 minutes remain. And here I see the time is 1:45. Okay, it's been 1 hour and 45 minutes. So you subtract from the 24 hours to complete the cycle. Your time will start at 12 p.m. and you will maintain the 5 sessions within it. You have a total 5 hours inside it used it. It's enough for you for free. Getting this much for free, I think, yeah, is enough here. As soon as you say hi, it means it will reply to you. When it start thinking, then obviously after thinking a reply is compulsory. So you have this thinking process or user. Okay, that coding suggestions here, coding start coding, and then explore projects and other things. Your project setup is done. You run this, and your work will start. You can create a project anywhere and do this. Related to this, I have created a video that you can watch on my YouTube channel. I have more videos here. Anyway, focus on this, and next we will come with a good video. Stay with this channel. Until then, share the channel, subscribe, and like the video. If you like something or want related to coding done, definitely comment, voicing your comments and interest. We will work on the next project. Until then, take care of yourself.